So we started out our project by finding out that the king was really passionate about agriculture and spreading his food, growing food and spreading it to other people and sharing it with other people. So we started our project by growing plants, and we learned all about plant life and how to grow plants and how to take care of them. And that kind of turned into how do we grow our own food and grow sustainable food and therefore help the environment with that. And then we took a trip to the grocery store to buy our own natural products, our own fruits and vegetables that we had been learning about. And it's integrated with Chinese as well, because in Chinese class they were also learning about the names for fruits and vegetables in Chinese, and so she followed us along to the grocery store, and we were constantly talking in English and Chinese about the fruits and vegetables that we were looking at and that we were buying. So the kids purchased the fruits and vegetables they needed.
这是菠萝。
很棒。
And we came back to school, and then we learned about what we can do with these fruits and vegetables. And we learned that, just like the king, we could make something from these fruits and vegetables and then give back to our community. So the king gave back to a bigger community, but we have a smaller community here, and our students knew about their community as their friends. So we made popsicles out of the fresh ingredients that we bought, and we shared them with our community, K2 and K1, and all the teachers in K2 and K1. And that's how the kids learned about how to buy stuff organically and to make it and then to share it with their community, just like the king did. He grew it himself and then he gave back to his community. And at the end, the kids got to enjoy the popsicles themselves, and they really learned about the importance of sharing and giving back, and just how good it feels to do that and to be kind to our friends and family and community.